Hi everyone. How's it going? Previously on Sinapon Cooks. These are yellowtail fillets that her friend caught and filleted. Sliced out the belly bones and dorsal ribs, and cut them into serving-size pieces. For those who want to watch the whole process, we'll post a link to the previous video in the description, and at the end of this video. Then she marinated those fillets in miso sauce. Put them in freezer bags and sit them in the fridge for 2 days. Today, let's start by reviewing how to make the miso sauce, and then make some delicious dishes. Okay? Let's go! Let's make the miso sauce to marinate the fish in. She's measuring by eye, but it's roughly these amounts. If you have more fish to marinate, just increase the amount of seasonings at the same rate. There are many types of miso. She's using Shinshu miso, which is made from soybeans and rice koji. In terms of sweetness, this miso is medium. If you use sweeter miso such as white miso, you might want to reduce the amount of mirin. Mix it well, and it's done. We will use the reddish meat. These are the tail meat. They are red maybe because the muscles in the lower body are more dense in order to swim fast. The meat has no fat, so it has a firm texture. The advantage of marinating meat in miso is that the enzymes in miso break down proteins, making the meat tender. We are far from chemists, so please excuse us for the details. Close the freezer bag tightly and place them in the fridge. Let's say at least for 2 days. It is most delicious on the 3rd or 4th day based on our experience. First, let's make some wrapped and steamed yellowtail. Can you see the difference? Do they look like the redness has faded a bit? I'm not sure. Let's prepare the vegetables to be steamed together. This is serving for 2 or 3. Sinapon will make 2 wraps though. Onions are a must. It's delicious even if you overcook it, and it's a great layer to put under the fish. Sinapon wants it more, but the wrap won't close so. If you cut it too thick it won't cook through. This is a quarter pre-cut Chinese cabbage. She would like it more, but like I just said, the wrap won't close so. The thing underneath the bunitshimeji mushrooms is sawdust used for cultivation, so cut it off. You can add whatever vegetables you like. It will be steamed for 12 minutes, so cut vegetables that take longer to cook into thin or small pieces. Cut the parchment paper into a square. She made it rectangular. Well, it should work. Place the onion in the middle. Leafy vegetables are better on the top, but the rest is up to you. You want the finished wrap to look nice when you open it. Now pour a little bit of miso sauce on top. This is for seasoning the vegetables. Arrange the remaining ingredients. The reason we use parchment paper instead of aluminum foil is because you can reheat it in the microwave. didn't get everything in. The leftover ingredients were used for miso soup the next day. Now let's make a wrap. Lift up the top corner and the bottom corner, and hold them together. Then fold the corners into a triangle. Fold it again to hide the triangle. Repeat folding until it is tight. Twist the ends to close the wrap. It doesn't have to be airtight. Once the pan is hot, steam for 12 minutes. Some of you may be wondering why I said steam, but using a frying pan. I'll skip to near completion. It's boiling. That is the moisture released by the vegetables. I think the inside of the wrap is steaming. If you feel like it's not cooked yet, turn off the heat and leave it covered for about 2 minutes. Each person unwraps it at the table. She cheated. The next recipe is even easier. Finely chop the green onion. Fold up all the edges of the paper. If you want to use this as a serving tray, you'll need to practice some origami. Maybe she can fold it better next time. Place miso marinated yellowtail. This is what they look like when you bake them in a toaster oven as is. But this time she wanted to change a little. Kewpie mayonnaise has a star-shaped mouth. And a small nozzle so you can just pipe it from the bottle. Then add the chopped green onions on top. Miso marinated fish was easy, right? Even if you've never tasted miso before, you'll probably find it easy to eat with butter or mayonnaise. It's great for muscular fish like swordfish. Thanks everyone for watching.